I didn't see the comments for yesterday video because it's not out yet in my timeline, but I'm pretty sure someone asked why I put the drawers in the front. And that it's a legitimate question. If this was like at home or in my personal thing, I wouldn't do that. It's like a lot easier to have drawers here. But I make videos here, and I think this look or this look or this look, I do believe that it looks a lot better because of how it looks. So with that out of the way, it's now time to complete this station and make it like really nice and usable and organized for model making. And I'm thinking I'm just gonna wrap the sides with wood, so wood here like plywood, and here, so this gives me a way to attach things. So let's do that, and then I'll decide what to do, how, and now that I have a base to attach things around, I think the first thing would be electricity. I'm gonna attach both of this and a lamp, so that dictates all the rest. I need some sort of shelf here to have the compressor for the airbrush, and I'm thinking right now that I can put like a little shelf like so that extends further, so I have, you know, better access here for the gun itself, you know, the airbrush itself, and a few things, and then have this here like at the end. It can actually be lower probably. And I'm thinking to attach this in the most weekend warrior way possible, which is this kind of brackets. Put them like that with some glue, and then I put a screw. Organizing this kind of things is like one of my favorite things to do, and It could honestly take a few days to do a good job, because right now off camera I kept changing the disposition of things. But let me show you where I'm at. So basically the top row, it's weathering mostly. So metal, this is like model making, but also mostly for weathering. I have Robin buff and all kind of like pale gold, all-cut metal, the Molotov, the one that Adam Savage is using a lot, and I tried it and it's actually awesome. Robin buff as well. Then like this is all weathering, and brushes. Graphite powder, I use this all the time. It just gives it like sort of a metal finish, but it's also like it holds stuff up. Pigments, all kind of. I use this one a lot when I do rust, like fake rust in pigment. These are all weathering things, like different weathering colors. Then this is all kind of brushes. This is Scotch-Brite and sponges, all kind of ways to do things. This is just foam I got somewhere. Q-tips for doing anything. Even like these ones, I just got them in Atlanta, and this, like, look how small are this. I don't know if I'll ever need them, but if I do, they're here. Next weathering, it's all kind of stains. Also, like, you see, I can't see what they are, and you might think it's a bad idea, but actually when I'm weathering stuff like that, it's not like I know what I'm doing. I just take random things and they do something, you know. Like weathering, it's super satisfying because you can't really go wrong. You just have to know when to stop. Then brushes, these are mostly weathering brushes. This is probably the one that I use the most. These ones are from Ikea's. They were super cheap. I bought them. I actually never use them, but they're not too bad. Then of course, here it's more like dust. This is Fuller Hurt. Like this thing. This is like probably some of the most used things in movies and stuff when you want to recreate dust on top of things. This is what you want to use. In here I have Citadel paint, model paint. These are nice because you can see them from the top. I wish they were more like that. Primer. This is just primer for like the airbrush. It's not like, I have also rattle can primers and things. And in here there's all airbrush stuff. And actually in Atlanta I bought this thinking that was just one of these. Super cheap one. Probably my favorite. But this actually, you don't connect it to a compressor. It's just, I don't even know what to call this thing. Flow pencil. So basically, you just open the gate like a normal airbrush, but it just comes out of, you know, gravity. And I think for like panel lining, stuff like that, like using with oil, like super thin oil, it would be very nice to like, you know, accent the edges and stuff. This is for cleaning. All the stupid things that you need when you use airbrush. Foliage. You can never have enough of these. Like, this is something that I use all the time for little models, and this is super nice. I use it all the time for like post-apocalyptic things. Like it's really easy. Also, it's very useful if you want to do trees. I never done it, but yeah, I use it for other things. In here I have sculpting, super sculpting, Fimo, and other things. This is flocking. What I use this for is I mix it with Super Sculpey. When you want to make like something that's skin-like, you mix it with this. It gives it sort of like another layer, like its little veins and stuff like that. It creates a very nice effect. I might show you if you're interested. Then here I have this kind of things. I use them for mixing colors. Little containers if I want to save particular color. These are super cool. I still have a few stuff in here, like other paint and stuff like that. I need more time to figure out how to organize it. Also, want to keep modifying this station. I'm not sure if I should keep doing it as a video or should I just do it behind the scene, because it's hard for me to make this kind of things interesting because it's just me, you know. We'll see, but let me know in the comments. It's probably not going to be tomorrow's video. It's going to be, let me know. So far I'm really liking this station, and I'm pretty sure you're going to see it a lot in upcoming videos. Just like, you know, doing little things on this surface looks really, really cool. Actually, look, see, this is me pretending that I'm doing something super complicated. See, right there. this if I put it here, and this if I put it. So the goal for projects like this, it's not really like learning techniques. I mean, I haven't done anything difficult, you know, I just screws. I think the only thing I used is this. Well, no, I cut the plywood, but you can do it with a spoon if you want. And the goal with this project is making something that you're gonna enjoy using it. And for me, this kind of like the surface, it has a story. The drawers have another story. It comes from a friend of mine. All together, it's gonna allow me to make more stuff. And this is actually really, it's what I like the most. Like, it's not the super complicated builds. Like, this is what. Anyway, I don't even know why I'm saying it, because what I'm about to say is actually thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Ciao, ciao. Why, you ask?